Climate and seasons. The three main seasons. Students, look at the three images. They show different periods of the year. The changes that you see here take place according to the weather changes that occur in a year. The year is accordingly divided into three main seasons: summer, the rainy season, and winter. Summer. For some period in the year, the sun is very strong. It is very hot and the temperature is high. Usually, the temperature starts rising from February onwards. It is very high during April and May. The period from February to May is called summer. During summer, people usually use loose cotton clothes and wear a cap. We feel like having cold items such as sharbat, sugarcane juice, and ice cream. The rainy season. The rainy season starts after summer. The rains start with thunder and lightning, accompanied by fast-blowing winds. The rains start in June and continue up to September. Therefore, the period from June to September is called the rainy season. In this season, we use raincoats and umbrellas. We feel like eating hot, steaming food. Winter. After the rainy season, the weather is cool and pleasant for some time. The temperature is low, the weather is dry, and the skies are clear. This weather continues till January. The period from October to January is called winter. During this season, we wear woolen or other warm clothes and enjoy hot, steaming food. The cycle of seasons. The three seasons, summer, rainy, and winter, follow one after the other. We observe this year after year. Our clothing and food keep changing according to the seasons. The changes that occur in the weather during different periods of the year mark the different seasons. Climate. Changes in the weather of a region are studied over several years to decide the climate of that region. The climate of a region does not change suddenly and often, as does the weather. Words like hot, cold, humid, dry, moderate, and extreme are used to describe the climate. The climate of a region influences the agriculture, industries, and other occupations in that region. Human life and the life of other living things too is influenced by the climate. Greater Mumbai. Mumbai is close to the sea and therefore there is a lot of moisture in the air. The climate here is mostly hot and humid. Winter weather is mild. It rains heavily in Mumbai from June to September, especially in July.